Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning, which only works for your academic enhancement. So let's start learning. Okay, now tell me, is my voice audible to you all? Then please write down yes in the comment box. Okay. Okay then, thank you so much for your quick response. Let me tell you how can you join in our live class. Okay, it's very easy. You just have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning and press the bell icon to get more notifications. And here are the rules of our live class. Okay, so you just have to answer the questions which is asked. Okay, and that should be only on the comment box. Again, you should not chat with each other. If you start chatting with each other, then you will face the problem while watching the video. Okay, and it's a special request to all of you that you should have to make the important points only after watching the video. As all of you have known that this is a permanent video, you can find anytime from YouTube. So after watching the video, you can watch this video again and make the points. As all of you have known that Aveti Learning is the number one YouTube channel in which you can find a teacher who never asks for fee. Okay, so it's your duty to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And yes, don't forget to comment us. So Aveti Learning provides you spoken English class and Aveti coding class, and that is also absolutely free. Okay, so within a limited period of time you can learn English very easily. Okay, so what should you do to join in our spoken English class and coding class? Yes, you should have to register your name in the given link, and the link for the registration for coding class is https://bit.ly/aveti coding class, and the link for the registration for spoken English class is https://bit.ly/aveti spoken English. Okay, so already so many students have registered their name, and now this is your turn, so don't waste your time, do register. Okay, and this is the live class schedule of Aveti Learning. So there is a minor change. You can see that our coding class is shifted to Saturday 7:30 p.m. and our spoken English class and guest lecture series is as usual in their same time. So now I am sharing a screen before you in which you can find that so many students are there who had joined in our previous spoken English class, and that was also live. Okay, so if you want to have your face on this screen, so you should have to register your name to join this Aveti spoken English class. Okay, more than 1500 students have already registered their name, so don't lose this chance, don't miss this chance. If you want to talk with our spoken English madam directly, if you want to interact with our madam directly, then do register and join in our spoken English class in Zoom application. You can join our WhatsApp group in which you can find daily session updates and interact with me. Interact with me means you can interact with our Aveti master teachers, and our Aveti master teachers are there to solve your problem, to solve your academic problem. Okay, and you can get assignments and exam updates and also regular discussion. Also daily questions are there. So check your YouTube video description through the WhatsApp link. So we are continuing with a chapter prepositions. Okay, so we have learned that prepositions can be grouped according to their functions, and they can be, the first one was prepositions of place. So to mention the preposition of place, we can use the preposition by, beside, over, above, under, below, beneath, through, across, along, behind, before, between, opposite, off, towards, for, at, in, on, etc. Okay. So, in our previous classes, we have learned the use of the preposition of place. Now, we will learn some more examples. Another preposition is over. Over means both vertically above and higher than. माने उपरे बा ठीक मुंड उपरे, ठीक अच्छे, उच्चतारे. For example, the aeroplane is flying over the head, means vertically above, माने ठीक मुंड उपरे उड़ाजाहाजटी उड़ुछि. So, to describe this, we can use the preposition of place over. He hung the calendar over the fireplace. Okay, means this is also vertically above. Fireplace रे ठीक ऊपरे calendar टी टंगा जाइछि बा से टांगिछि. Again, over has also the meaning of across, from one side to the other, or to other side, or in every part of. Okay. तो बेले बेले ओवर रो मीनिंग एक्रोस अर्थ रे मध्य व्यवहार करा जाए, अर्थात गोटिए पार्श्वरु अन्य पार्श्व को. फॉर एग्जांपल, देयर इज अ ब्रिज ओवर द रिवर. ओके, सो मीन्स देयर इज अ ब्रिज अक्रॉस द रिवर, अर्थात नदी रो गोटिए पाखरु अन्य पाखको गोटिए सेतु जाइछि, हैला. Another example is he climbed over the wall. से कांथो उपरे चढ़िला. To mention this kind of situation, we can use over. Then above. Above means higher than, which means at a higher level. बहुत उच्चतारे, बहुत ऊपरे. For example, there is a temple above the house. घर ठारू बहुत उच्चरे मंदिरटी अछि. Similarly, another example is through. It means entering at one side, on one surface, etc., coming at the other. Okay. So, for example, the road goes through the forest. Through अर्थात मध्य देई. Okay. तो जंगल मध्य देई रास्ताटी जाइछि. Similarly, another preposition is across, means from one side to the other. For example, there is a bridge across the river. Okay, सेतुटी नदीर गोटे पार्श्वरु अन्य पार्श्वकु जाइछि. Another preposition is along. It means in a line from one end to other. Across अर्थात गोटिए पार्श्वरु अन्य पार्श्वको, बट along अर्थात गोटिए पार्श्वर आरंभरु शेष पर्यंत गोटिए धाड़ी रे. ठीक अछि. फॉर एग्जांपल, trees grow along the bank of the river. अर्थात ए चित्र रे आपण माने देखि पारथबे नदीर गोटे पार्श्वरे आरंभरु शेष पर्यंत गच्छ गुडीक धाड़ी धाड़ी होई कि लागिछि, अर्थात गोटिए पार्श्वरे आद्यरु प्रांत पर्यंत. Okay, from one end to other. So, in this case, the preposition along is used. Similarly, another example is there are a lot of shops along this street. Okay, that means in one side of a street, in a line, there are a lot of shops. Okay, अर्थात रास्तार गोटिए पार्श्वरे धाड़ी धाड़ी होई आरंभरु शेष पर्यंत बहुत गुड़िए दुकान अछि. Similarly, along means in the direction of the length of, अर्थात गोटिए दिगरे. For example, he walked along the road, अर्थात रास्तार गोटिए दिगरे से जाउछि, माने गोटिए रास्तार आरंभरू से जाउछि. ठीक अछि, अर्थात रास्ता पार करूनी, गोटिए पार्श्वरू अन्य पार्श्वकू से जाउनी, गोटिए रास्तार गोटिए पार्श्वरे ही से जाउछि, माने गोटिए दिगरे से जाउछि. Another preposition is behind. It means at or towards the back of something, माने पछरे. For example, the boy was hiding behind a tree. पुअटी गछ पछरे लुचिची. Another preposition is between. Between is used when we speak of two person or two things. Okay. बिटवीन अर्थ होची मध्यरे, अर्थात जेतले दुई जण व्यक्तिंक विषय रे आमे तुलना करू बा दुई जण व्यक्ति बा दुईटी वस्तु विषय रे आमे कथा हो, से समय रे कोन हुए बिटवीन रो प्रयोग करा जाय. फॉर एग्जांपल, द बुक इज बिटवीन द इंक पॉट एंड द चेयर. ओके, अर्थात इंक पॉट आउ चेयर रो मध्यरे बहीटी अछि. Similarly, another preposition is to. To is used for direction, अर्थात गोटे निर्दिष्ट दिग आड़कू बा एक निर्दिष्ट स्थान आड़कू. जेपरिकी फॉर एग्जांपल, he threw a ball to his friend, अर्थात से गोटे बॉल ता सांग आड़कू पकाइला. ठीक अछि, तो अर्थात गोटे डायरेक्शन रे पकाइला, माने को डायरेक्शन रे पकाइला ता सांग जो डायरेक्शन रे अछि सेटा की पकाइला, तो सेही क्षेत्र रे to रे प्रयोग करा जिवो. Another preposition of place is by or beside. For example, he is sitting by or beside me, or he is sitting by my side. That means at my side. Okay, so it means the exact point. Okay, but it is nearer to someone, so it here by or beside is used. अर्थात पाखरे, से मो पाखरे बसिछि. ठीक अछि. So students, today is this much. I hope all of you have got an idea about the use of preposition of place. So let's have a homework for all of you. So here is your homework. You have to fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition. Okay. So the question is, the Mahanadi flows dash Odisha. Option A, below. Option B, under. Option C, through. Option D, beside. So I hope all of you have known the answer, and please send it to our WhatsApp group. So here is your WhatsApp group class 10. So you go through the link and join in this group and send your answer. Okay. So if you are having any doubts, any kind of queries, any kind of questions related to your subject or related to your specific topic, you can contact us through Aveti official WhatsApp number, that is 7894040614. Okay. So as all of you have known that we are providing free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Aveti Learning. So students, today is this much. We will meet in a new session with some new questions, with some new uses of preposition, with some new figure, with some new images. Okay. So till then, don't go anywhere. Keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Aveti Learning. Thank you.